Hello and welcome. In this video, Tech It Simple, I'm going to be showing you how you can change a Pinterest profile picture. Well, guys, it's a pretty straightforward process once you have your Pinterest downloaded to your phone and logged into your account. So, let's launch our app, and we have already logged into our account. So, to change a Pinterest profile picture, now if you click on this avatar icon again at the top left corner, you can see all these options. In order to change your profile picture, just click on View Profile. Now, click on Edit Profile, and there we have an option to edit our profile picture too. So, let's select it, Update Profile Picture, and select any one of these. Let's say this one, and done. If we go back, our profile picture is updated. Now you know how to change your Pinterest profile picture. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding changing a Pinterest profile picture, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.